In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete an attachment using Trello in N8N step by step so you can quickly set up the action inside your workflow without wasting time. This is a simple but very useful automation if you need to clean up attachments, remove outdated files, or manage Trello data more efficiently. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more N8N and automation guides. Alright, let's get into it. First, open the workflow you want to work on inside N8N. Make sure you're in the correct workflow before adding any new node so you don't accidentally make changes in the wrong place. Once your workflow is open, look over to the Nodes panel. From the Nodes panel, choose Trello. You can either search for it or select it from the available app integrations. After that, choose the Delete an Attachment option. This is the action that lets you remove a specific attachment from Trello. Next, choose the credential you want to use. This connects N8N to your Trello account, so make sure you select the right one for the board or workspace you're managing. If you already have the correct credential saved, simply pick it from the list. Now you need to configure what to delete. Enter the required details for the attachment you want removed, so N8N knows exactly which file to target. Double check the values before continuing, because this step determines what gets deleted. Once everything is configured, save the node and run a test if needed to confirm it's working correctly. If the attachment details are right, N8N will delete it from Trello as expected, and that's it. You've now learned how to delete an attachment using Trello in N8N. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more quick automation tutorials like this one.